One of the platforms that best allows us to explore our creativity, but above all, to show the world everything we do every day, is Instagram. But more to show is to have a profile that transcends all your followers. Following these steps, your profile will become an account that is fashionable and nobody stops talking about it. The first thing you should do is focus on a topic. All your publications have to be related to a personality, whether it be travel, food, fashion, professional, etc. The important thing is that it is specific and determined. If your account is personal, your publications can be based on spontaneity. But if it is business, it is important to have a publication calendar that serves as a work plan, in such a way that the content is planned. When you develop it, remember that the Instagram formula is 60% video and 40% images, and that the videos are a maximum of 1 minute. Make sure your content is of quality, photos with good resolution, videos with good audio. Invite your followers to comment and share their stories. According to its theme, show your followers the process of elaboration, the people behind your business. Always show your most human side. Audiences like to see how their work is made for real. In Instagram, it is now possible to publish up to 10 photos and videos in a single publication. And you can take advantage of this feature to tell an interesting story without having to bombard your viewers with many publications. In Instagram, the hashtag is also used, and thanks to these, more interaction and reach is generated among the users. Its function is organized by categories in such a way that the publications are more visible to the right audience. Make a list of the hashtags related to your content and keep in mind the most used according to their publication. On special dates, it's a good opportunity to publish something related and show support for causes that interest you. Also, follow accounts with similar interests. Generate relationships, interacting with them with comments and like them. Create competitions. It is a very good way to expand your reach and make yourself known. You can publish an image promoting your contest, ask them to follow your account and mention more friends to participate. Post between 3 and 5 daily stories. Tag other users. Get the most out of live videos, as these can be saved in your stories for the next 24 hours.